English lesson. So I hope so that you all are enjoying your vacations. So today, before moving to our topic, I just want to talk about something. Maybe I am going to talk about your friends. So what you have to do is you have to frame one sentence from your friend's name. Like suppose if my friend name is Lalit. So if I make the sentence, how I will make? That Lalit is my friend. Lalit loves to play guitar. Lalit shares a chocolate with me. So how it is looking? How these sentences are looking? Is it looking okay? Or is it looking weird? I think so the sentences are looking weird because I am using the word Lalit again and again. Like if I suppose like if I say like this, Lalit is my friend, he loves to play guitar, he shares chocolate with me. So I think so that these sentences are looking more appropriate. So what I have done here, I have used in place of noun, I have used pronoun. Like I am saying Lalit, तो मैंने ललित की जगह पे क्या यूज़ किया है? ही यूज़ किया है. बार बार ललित वर्ड जब आ रहा था तो सेंटेंस कितना ज़्यादा वियर्ड लग रहा था. द सेंटेंस वॉज लुकिंग सो मच वियर्ड. बट व्हेन आई यूज ही इन प्लेस ऑफ ललित, so now the sentence is looking more appropriate. So our today's topic is this only, that is pronoun. We are going to do pronouns today. So what are pronouns? Pronouns are the words which are used in place of nouns like he, she, it, they, them, etc. ऐसे कोई से भी वर्ड्स जिनको हम नाउन्स की जगह पे यूज़ करते हैं वो सब क्या होते हैं? प्रोनाउंस, ताकि हमारा सेंटेंस जो है वो एप्रोप्रिएट लगे. Yes, because in that sentence when I have used Lalit again and again, then the sentence was not looking appropriate. But when I have used he in place of Lalit, so the sentences then after that it was looking more appropriate. So the pronouns are the words which are used in place of nouns. So further, let's move further to the kinds of pronoun. There are 8 kinds of pronoun. First is personal pronoun. Second is demonstrative pronoun. Then possessive pronoun, interrogative pronoun, emphatic pronoun, reflexive pronoun, distributive pronoun. And the last one is interrogative pronoun. So these are the 8 kinds of pronouns which we are going to do today. First of all, let's see that what is our first kind of pronoun. Our very first kind of pronoun is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun means from the name it is showing that personal मतलब personal के लिए यूज़ किया गया pronoun. Personal pronouns are the pronouns which are used in place of the names of things and persons, and they can be replaced with the subject also and with the object nouns also. ये दोनों ही सब्जेक्ट के प्लेस में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं हम, और हम ऑब्जेक्ट के प्लेस में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस. देन फर्दर if I say personal pronouns are again further divided into 3 parts, that is first person, second person and the third person. First person, if I say first person, so first person, in that first person what we use? For the singular nouns we use I and me, and for the plural nouns we say we and us. We use we and us. For the second person, first person was referring to the first person only, मतलब जब हम अपने ही बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, when we are talking about ourselves, then we use the first person. Like I am going to market. Yes, if I say that my name is Riya and I am going to market, if I say like this, or if I say my name is Riya, Riya is going to market. It is looking weird, but in place of second time, when I in the second sentence, when I am using the sentences again, then what I have used I in place of Riya. मैंने क्या यूज़ किया? I यूज़ किया रिया की जगह पे. Yes. So that person, first person refers to the own when we are talking about ourselves. Then the second person means जब हम किसी second person के बारे में बात करते हैं. Yes, like for example, you are your name. If I say like you are going to market. Yes, simple sentence. You are going to market. You are going to market. You should wear your mask when you are going to market. So here what I have done, I have used you in place of nouns. So in the second person, for the singular also and for plural also, we will make the use of you only. चाहे वो singular हो, चाहे वो plural हो, हम किसका यूज़ करेंगे? You का यूज़ करेंगे. Then comes third person. हम कब यूज़ करते हैं थर्ड पर्सन का? जब हम किसी थर्ड पर्सन के बारे में बात करते हैं, जब हम किसी तीसरे बंदे के बारे में बात करते हैं. And for that we will make the use of, for singular we will make the use of he, she, it, him, her, his. And for the plural we will make the use of they and them. Like for example, if I say he and he and I are going to market. He and I are going to market. So he and I have used are going to market. See the next example. You and I can meet her at the restaurant. You and I. What I have done, I have used pronoun here. मैंने यहाँ पे you का यूज़ किया है और I का यूज़ किया है, और मैंने सब्जेक्ट में भी इसका यूज़ किया है. What I have used, meet her जो कि क्या है हमारा थर्ड पर्सन के लिए आता है. Here I have used first person also, I have used second person also, and I have used the third person also. You क्या है हमारा सेकेंड पर्सन है, I क्या है फर्स्ट पर्सन है, और her क्या है हमारा थर्ड पर्सन. So like this we will use pronouns in place of nouns. But what you have to remember, for using the person pronouns, some things you have to keep in mind. There are some rules which you have to always remember. This is that first of all you have to remember that for the singular nouns, जितने भी nouns हमारे singular होते हैं, like अगर मैं किसी का name दे रही हूँ, like Riya. Yes, like if I say Sita. So what kind of pronoun I will use here? I will use singular pronoun only. Singular pronoun में क्या क्या आता है? He, she, I, you, ये सब किस में आते हैं? हमारे singular pronoun में आते हैं. And if I am using if I am talking about so many persons, if I say children, अगर मैं children की बात कर रही हूँ तो children में मैं he या फिर she नहीं लगाऊंगी. What I will use? I will use they. Yes, I will use they. For example, if I say there are so many children in the class, children are talking, children are eating lunch. No, I will not use this sentence like this. I will not say this sentence like this. How I will speak? There are so many children in the class. They all are talking. They are talking. They are eating lunch. So here in place of children, instead of using children again and again, what I have done, I have made the use of they here. मैंने यहाँ पे they लगाया है children की जगह. Yes, because children are what? They are plural noun. So I have used the plural pronoun. This was the first thing that you have to keep in mind. The second thing that you have to keep in mind is that gender, masculine and feminine. If I am saying like Riya is going to market, So Riya is a girl. So which kind of pronoun I will use? I will use he or I will use she? Yes, I will make the use she here. मैं यहाँ पे she का यूज़ करूँगी क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमारा feminine gender है. Yes, so in the masculine gender we will use he, him, his, and for the feminine gender I will use she and her. And for the animals and things, animals और things के लिए क्या यूज़ करेंगे हम? Animals और things के लिए हम it यूज़ करेंगे. So these all things you have to keep in mind while using the personal pronoun. So in my next video I will be sharing the more kinds of pronouns. So till then, that's all for today. Till then, you have to practice this at home. Stay tuned everyone, stay home. Goodbye. Thank you.